Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 13th of December, 2023. The Indian benchmark indices ended with marginal gains in the highly volatile session on December 13th ahead of the FOMC meeting. Outcome later tonight. At close, the Sensex was up 33.57 points, or 0.05% at 69,584.60. And the Nifty was up 19.90 points, or 0.1% at 20,926.30. Top gainers on the Nifty were NTPC, Hero MotoCorp, Power Grid Corporation, Eicher Motors, and ADANI Ports, while losers were TCS, Infosys, Bajaj Finserv, HDFC Life, and Axis Bank. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of HPL Electric and Power were locked at 10% upper circuit of 220.65 rupees per share on December 13th after the company bagged order worth 545 rupees crore for smart meters, supporting India's national metering initiative. So far this year, this small-cap stock has soared over 121% as against 13% rise in the benchmark Sensex. Earlier, HPL Electric shares hit 52-week high of 269 rupees apiece on November 6, 2023. In an exchange filing on December 13, the company said that the order was indicative of company's journey to solid market share in competitive smart meter arena. The ADANI total gas shares deflated over 7% after a 90% rally in the last 1 month, as investors tried to take some money off the table early on December 13, according to analysts. The BSE and the NSE have put the securities of ADANI Total under the short-term ASM, traditional surveillance measure, framework to caution investors about high volatility in share prices. The multibagger scrip has gained nearly 92% in the past 1 month, out of which 65% of the spike came last week alone. Shares of SUNTECK REALTY slumped over 4% in opening trade on December 13, after a large deal worth 336.4 rupees crore took place in the counter. Around 69 lakh shares, representing a 4.75% equity in the company, changed hands on the exchanges at an average floor price of 482 rupees apiece. The floor price of the deal comes at an over 3% discount to the stock's closing price of 499.45 rupees on December 12. Shares of KARUR VYSYA Bank gained 3.3%, hitting a fresh 52-week high in early trade. On December 12, SBI Mutual Fund purchased 1.2 crore equity shares via open market transactions. The shares bought were equivalent to 1.5% of paid-up equity in the bank at a price of 162 rupees per share, amounting to 194.4 rupees crore. Shares of UPL gave up the morning gains to trade in the red by the noon. The agricultural solutions player announced that it would be included in the Dow Jones Sustainability World and Emerging Markets indices. Additionally, Nuvama institutional equities strategists predict Shriram Finance may enter the Nifty 50 in March 2024. Possibly replacing UPL. This change could bring $217 million inflow to Shriram and $114 million outflow from UPL. The official list for the Nifty 50 rejig will be announced late in February 2024. Additionally, Nuvama suggests a medium to high chance for Canara Bank to replace Bandhan Bank in the March 2024 review. Suronar Solar Limited in daily time frame is trading around 38.65 points with a change of 20%, and is trading with a net volume of around 5.396 million shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 30.30, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 81.65. VYSYA's Innovative Technologies Limited in daily time frame is trading around 521.55 points with a change of 19.99% and is trading with a net volume of around 484,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 456.80, which is a good indication for the stock. while shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 68.42. Felix Industries Limited in daily time frame is trading around 144.70 points with a change of 19.98% and is trading with a net volume of around 162,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 113.65, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 74.66. For the stock recommendation we have, HDFC Life Insurance Company looks good and can be bought at 700 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 680 rupees and a target of 734 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.